Hello, this is Chris from Optinet, and in this video I'm going to give you an exclusive look at the new Business Performance Dashboard, which is due out in Flex version 1.5.5, which will be rolling out through spring 2021. To get to this new dashboard, you can click into Business Intelligence and choose Dashboards, and once you're updated to that new version, you'll see a new option called Business Performance. This is the first page that you'll see, and we can see on here we've got a few useful statistics such as the number of new patients, till receipts, examinations and appointments that have been put on during the period. Just like any dashboard, you can choose the relevant day, week, month, business quarter, etc. to do this by. I'll show you how to set up the relevant sections here, such as the staff, but we can see you can set targets for a staff member to see how they're comparing to your aspirations for them. And also, you'll see a sales comparison just looking at the total turnover for the same period the previous year. And if you are a multiple branch user, you'll see that for all of the branches too. It's not just the staff members we can set a target for, we can set this for the practice overall. So we're able to see the target that you've set, £1 million on my one, why not? And then the sales for the year so far and how they're doing compared to that target. And the targets, by the way, if you are multiple branch, can be set for each branch respectively. That was on the annual target screen, by the way. If I click across now to sales by week, you're able to see, again for multiple branches if relevant, how your sales are doing for the weeks of the year as we progress. And there's also an option to be able to show that for sales by month. So a bit more detail there. You can just see how you're comparing. Regarding the setup for this, in the branches, you're able to set a business performance dashboard target, click it into menu and setup, and then in the integration setting of the branch table, you can set the target per branch. And as for the individual staff member, there'll be a new section on their staff record called Business Performance Dashboard, where you can set their individual staff target. So just to summarise that again, that's within the staff record and the branch table for the staff and the branch details respectively. Quick look there at being able to see sales by week and month on a line graph for one or more branches. And just looking back here at the overall pictures, we can see again those targets which we've just mentioned for the practice and for the staff members, how you're doing compared to the previous year, and also a few quick business statistics. This is all due out in the version of Flex, as mentioned, due through spring 2021. Make sure you keep reading our Take 5 weekly newsletter and viewing our Optinet YouTube channel for lots of exclusive new features and first looks at what's to come throughout this year. As always, thanks a lot for being a Flex customer, and make sure you check out the portal for more information, flexhelp.co.uk.